Pana. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. You're Abhay, right?
No, I'm Rishi.
Can you rename your name?
Oh
How will
yeah,
you
yeah.
rename yourself?
Yeah, I will.
Yep, thank you. Okay. Yeah, I hope you all remember, guys, the 30-minute extra I asked you to be in here because of that class that we cut short for the Halloween, right? Remember? So we couldn't finish because I need to finish whatever I planned, right? So I could not do it, right? So yeah. You remember our discussion earlier, huh? No, not really. Oh, you remember? Okay, good, Amma. Okay, okay. So, how was the homework? What was the homework? I did go over though. Did you have any questions on that?
Um, Not really. But can you
No.
help me with like long division for
Yes,
polynomials?
polynomials. Okay. See, that is something we didn't do yet, but hold on. Algebra 2. Okay. So remember we did 331 to 337 in the book. So let me go there, Rishit. So I started with polynomial. Remember 331 to 337 we did. That was what? Okay, we did graphing of polynomials, correct? And then what did we do? Okay, let me go back. Abhay, what are you doing in class, Abhay?
Today we did synthetic division.
Oh yeah, see, all of you are asking for polynomial division. Okay, let's see. How was the graphing of polynomials to be the homework? Did you understand how to graph the polynomial on page number 341 particularly and 341 particularly?
Yeah.
So with the end behavior, understanding how the intervals are plotted, were you able to do the homework, Avni, Akshada?
Yeah, I just wasn't able to finish it. It was easy.
But did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, then let's move on. Let's move on to polynomials. But before I go to division, right, I did not cover adding, subtracting polynomials with this class, correct? So I want to give a brief on that and then go to division. Okay, just Rishit, we have enough time, so I'll go in order. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We will be able to cover what you're wanting and Abhay is wanting, so we should be good there, I feel. Okay, because we'll go see, I covered graphing for you last class, right? Cubic we covered, but we did not cover what is monomial, what is polynomial, all this stuff. I would like to go over that, and then I didn't mean to share this. I just wanted the board. 1 second, guys. Okay, today we have time, so let's go ahead and do properly. I'll go to division today. Okay, now polynomials is a nice easy chapter. Okay, so you already know partially. Okay, so let's say what is, first let's go over what are monomials. How about this? Is this a monomial? Rishit,
Yeah.
Rishit or Abhay, you can let me know. You can shout out, you can stop the class, anything you can do. Okay,
Yeah, it is.
just so to let you know, chat, you can chat the answers with me. Okay, coming to this one, right? Let me give the definition and then Rishit, you tell me. Okay,
Okay.
monomial is when you have a number, variable, both can be multiplied together. Okay, variable can have different powers, 1 2 3 like that, but the expectation is the number is called the coefficient. Let's say 2x square. Yes, this is a monomial. Okay, this is the number that's multiplied, this is your variable. Letter can be to any power. However, there are some restrictions for an expression. This is basically an algebraic expression, right? To be a monomial, it has got some restrictions. Okay, here the restriction is, for it to be a monomial, this has to be a whole number. Whole number in the sense, this has to be a number from 0 1 2 3 4 5. That is quite an important restriction. The power has to be a whole number for it to be a monomial. One or more variables can be there. So 2x, y, z, this one. Yes, it's a monomial. Got it? Now, Rishit, are you telling this is a monomial still?
Yeah.
No, right? Why?
Because
This is not a monomial. Why? Anybody can help, right? I don't want Rishit to be put under the bus. Please, anybody can help. Huh?
The power is negative.
Yes, the power is negative. So this is basically 1 by x squared. This is not a monomial. Got it, guys? How about this? X power of half. Do you think it's a monomial?
No.
Again, no, it's not a monomial. Okay, so that is the important one. And then, okay, I wanted you to understand what is a monomial. First, we did this. Great. Okay, how to find out the degree of a monomial? I give you this. What is the degree of a monomial? First, let's please go with easier ones. What is the degree of this monomial?
4.
Good, 4. What is the degree of this monomial?
5.
4 plus 2 plus 1, right? Where is 5? 4
I
plus
thought
2 plus 1.
I thought that was a 3.
Which one, ma?
I
Oh,
thought-
my handwriting. No. Okay, my handwriting was a problem. I'm sorry. 2x, y, z. This z, if I put, everybody thinks as a 2. That is why I put the z like this.
Oh, okay.
So,
Then it's 7.
yeah, 7 is the degree of this monomial. You got it? Now, what is this, guys? Is this a monomial?
No.
Then what it is? Each
Binomial.
of this is a monomial. Oh,
Binomial.
1 second. No. Each of this is a monomial, right? What is this then? What is this entire expression?
Binomial.
Binomial. How about this? X square plus x plus 3. What is that?
Polynomial.
Trinomial. But you know, each expression, each monomial in the polynomial is very strict, okay? They only combine with their own alikes. Meaning, if I give you this polynomial, right, you cannot simplify this. You can only combine these two because they are only friends. Only alikes can combine. So, the maximum you can simplify this is this. You see what I mean? Only the powers match, they'll match. They are only friends. They won't combine and talk with other people. They don't like them. You see what I mean? So, the maximum you can express is this. Simplify is this. This is the simplified polynomial. Now, there are so many things we understood now. What is a monomial? We understood. Degree of a monomial we understood. Then we also understood what is a coefficient. The number that accompanies the variable is the coefficient. Now, these were all in monomials. And degree of a polynomial we understood. Binomial we understood. Degree of a polynomial, how to find out, we understood. Then we also understood what is a binomial trinomial. We understood all of this, okay? But now, what is this leading coefficient of a polynomial? Coefficient. Here, 2x square plus x plus 1. Before I go to this leading coefficient discussion, I want you to understand what is the standard form of a polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial. What is that? The standard form of a polynomial is when you arrange the monomials in decreasing powers of x. They should be arranged in decreasing powers of x. When you arrange all the monomials in a polynomial expression in decreasing powers of x, then the polynomial is said to exist in its standard form. Any questions here? Any questions here? Any questions here? Ma, any questions, ma? Please ask now.
Not really.
No questions.
Shrikar, we are discussing polynomials. We discussed what a monomial is. Monomial is always like this. The power can always start only from 0. Cannot be negative or fractions. We discussed what is the degree of a monomial. If you have like this, the degree is nothing but the added value of all the powers in the variables. Then degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial? Suppose if I have this, right? What is the degree of this polynomial? The degree
4.
of this is 4, the degree of this is 2, the highest is the degree of the polynomial. Binomial means 2 monomials. Trinomial means 3 monomials together added or subtracted is a trinomial. Here, leading coefficient is the coefficient that accompanies the highest power of x. Coefficient that accompanies the highest power of x. Any questions? Can I move on?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now, standard form of a polynomial is when you order all your monomials in decreasing powers of x. Leading coefficient is the number that accompanies the highest power of x. That is the leading coefficient, leader. Can I move on? And as I said, right, addition subtraction of polynomials is very easy. Okay, meaning 4x square minus x cube plus 2 plus 5x power of 4 plus minus x plus 6x square plus 3x power of 4. Would you be able to do this by yourself? Not hard, right? Because they're just friends. Friends are only friends. Friends won't combine with their unlikes. They combine only with likes. So basically this will combine with this. This will combine with this. That's all. You cannot combine further. You see? So when it combines with this, that becomes 8x power of 4. But I'll always try to put it in standard form, please. Okay? Minus x cube plus 10x square minus x plus 2. Makes sense? Advait, are you following Advait? Did you get that? Always you have to
Yeah.
express your answer in standard form. Any questions for me? Okay. I want to trick you with one thing, okay? How about this? I'm going to give you the problem. You're going to send me the answer in chat, okay? Can you do this and tell me the answer alone? Just send the answer to me.
What is the
Yes, ma?
I didn't read that it was subtract.
Yeah, it is subtract. Does it make sense? Mm-hmm.
Wait, it's 6x squared plus 3, right?
Yes, I will make corrections. You have to bear with me. 6x square plus 3 minus 18x square plus 3 minus 18x square. Make sense? 6x square, okay, plus 3 minus 18x square. Correct. Correct. Just send the answer to me. Or I'll ask, okay, yeah, send the answer to me. Let me see. See, you know how to send it in chat, right? X shift 6 is power. Shift 6 is power. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you need help. Oh, somebody is asking for the password. How am I? Did you do correctly, Advait?
Can you explain it
No,
then?
no, wait. I made a mistake. That's okay. That's okay. I want to go with my problem only, whatever I wrote on the board. Okay, let me go ahead and do this myself because I don't have the answer. The actual question was something else. So 12x cube plus 5x minus 8x square. I won't use this like this. I will write it in standard form. So writing in standard form is not prone to mistakes. Okay, it will help you get out of the mistakes. So I'll write it in standard form. Now subtract what? When I subtract, see what happens here. When I'm going to subtract, see here I can combine these two already. So it is minus 12x square, right? So I have to subtract minus 12x square and then minus 9x plus 3. So another way of doing it is what? I don't want to subtract. See, minus, all this is making a big mess for me. You know what I get to do? When it is subtraction, I change it to addition. Because of this, I negate everything in the second polynomial. So this becomes plus 12x square plus 9x minus 3. That way, I get to add these two. Adding is always easy, you know. So plus 4x square plus 14x plus 16, huh? That's it. Does
That was
that
my
make sense?
answer.
Yes, Madhvait. I'm sorry, that's what I said, right? Meaning I realized I made a mistake by giving both as squares.
Oh.
Okay, so that's why I did it on the board. Annam, how did you get that? You know what? No, I know what you did. You might have copied the problem before I erased and wrote. Yeah. It's fine but even then, no, Annam.
No, I negated everything in the second one,
Hmm.
and then I solved it like that.
Okay, wait. Let me see. 12x cube plus 4x square plus 14x plus 16. Avni got it. Akshada got it. Shrikar got it too. Okay. Abhay, I didn't get your answer. Did you understand? Rishit?
Yeah, I got it.
Rishit, how about you?
Yeah.
Annam, I'll leave it, ma. I think you understood because see, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what was the problem. Earlier, when I wrote it as cube. When I erased and wrote it, I think I wrote it as square. So you got confused with that. I'm okay with that. Let's keep going. Let's see.
Oh yeah, that's
I get it, ma. I hear you.
yeah.
So I'm going to leave
Okay.
that. Okay. So how about this? This is the last one. Subtract this. I'm going to write it correctly. Okay. Subtract minus 9x power of 4 plus 6x square minus 31. Have I written it clear? 9x power of 4 plus 6x square minus 31 from 23x power of 7 minus 9x power of 4 plus 1. Can we try? Minus 6 minus. Shrikar, the constant seems incorrect. Shrikar, is that right? Constant seems incorrect to me. Yeah, constant. I don't know. No, looks like it is right. Let me see. Yeah, constant is correct. I'm sorry. The book has got key mistakes. There are a lot of key mistakes when it comes to polynomial in the book for sure. Okay, Shrikar correct. How about this? Akshada correct. Annam 33. Why ma 33? 23, right, ma? 23, right?
Yeah, I think I mistyped it.
Yeah, and the signs are also incorrect, ma.
Oh.
Yeah, that is putting me into a lot of pressure.
Oh, okay. Can I send you the correct one?
Yeah, Abhay, signs are also incorrect, Abhay. Okay, I know what you guys are doing. I know why that mistake is coming. Same Annam and Abhay. Here, this is your original polynomial. This is like asking subtract 2 from 5. You're subtracting 2 from 5. So, which is your main value? This is your main value. 23 x power of 7 minus 9 x power of 4 plus 1 is your main value. You're going to subtract, this means you're going to negate and add, correct? So, I will just negate and add, right? Now, what do? This gets cancelled. 23 x power, I'm going to add right now, plus 6x square. Guys, answer is minus 30, right?
Wait, but if it's
Wait,
plus
I'm
1,
checking. So basically I'm going to negate everything. This is minus, this is plus. This is minus, so this one becomes plus 32. Yes, key is incorrect. Agreed. Abhay, still the sign
Wouldn't
of
it?
this should be
But
negative.
6x squared, nothing. Oh, wait. Okay, never mind.
You got it?
Yeah.
How about Annam? Did you understand why your signs?
Yeah, I sent the answer.
Oh, yes, correct one. No? Okay, I did not see. Can I move on?
Yes.
Rishit, oh, you answered Rishit. Okay, good. Okay, now let's move on, guys. Addition, subtraction, you should be able to now break your head and learn. Okay, that you can do as homework. Okay, if they give you word problems as well, addition, subtraction of polynomials, you should be able to handle, I feel. Okay, but the harder ones, how about this? We already learned a part of this, but I don't know whether you remember. If I give you this, how do you do this? Multiplying. Do you remember the FOIL thing? Do you remember foiling?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you be able to do it or should I do it on the board? Anything works with me. You have to talk out. That's
I
all.
mean, I think I'd be able to do it.
Others?
We could try to solve it first.
Okay. If you can't, let me know. Let me know if you have difficulty, but I can do it on the board if you guys are finding it tough. Otherwise, you do. Let me know if anybody wants. You can as well message in chat. Auntie, do it on the board, or you can shout out. What big deal? Akshada. No, I don't think so, ma. At least I don't think so. I don't know. Yeah, I will. Yeah, that is right, Annam. Good job. Shrikar, that's right. Abhay, that's right. Oh, you guys are good with multiplication of polynomials, then we can move on. Not really, Subi. Okay, no problem. I'll do it. Some of you have asked as well. So let me go ahead and do it on the board. Okay, I'll do this. Okay, I won't get confused. I will select only this and then minus 4x squared, then 2x cube, right? It's continuation of algebra only. 2 times 1, 2, minus 8x plus 4x. So what happens here? X plus 2x cube plus 2 minus 8x. Writing it in standard form, 2x cube minus 7x plus 2. Multiplying polynomials. Does it make sense? Did you understand, Rishit? Krishiv, you came in just now, right?
Yeah.
Did you understand how to multiply Krishiv?
Yeah.
Okay. How? Who else did not understand? Please raise. Hey, Anisha, what are you doing in school, ma?
We did synthetic division today.
Okay, we'll go there. We'll go to division. Can I move on now?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we do a few more? I don't know. Okay, by the way, guys, before I go to division, right, I really want you guys to understand a couple of things. Do you all know what is the formula for this one? What is the formula for this one? Do you all know?
Yeah.
What is the formula for this one? Amma, you
A
cannot
squared.
forget even in sleep.
A squared minus B squared.
A squared.
Oh wait, no. A squared plus 2ab plus B squared.
That's nice. This one?
A squared minus 2ab plus B squared.
Mm-hmm. What is this?
A plus B, A minus B.
Nice. But this was pending ones from algebra 1. Okay. I have several new ones for you. This is what I want you to know as a part of algebra 2. Okay. A plus B the whole cube. See, you can sit and multiply. Always it's there. Okay, auntie, I know. I can sit and multiply using FOIL. But by that time, the test will end. That's the problem. That's why I am asking you to memorize. A minus B the whole cube. And then you should also know A cube plus B cube. A cube minus B cube. All these you should know. A plus B the whole cube will be A cube plus 3A square B plus 3B square A plus B cube. You have to memorize this. You cannot sit and FOIL. A minus B. Again, you will say to me, oh, auntie, I know, I can do this. Yes, you can do. But by that time, the test will get done. Time will move. So, you will have to memorize this. A cube minus 3A square B. Alternatively, plus and minus. A cube plus B cube is A plus B times, I don't have it here anyway, A square plus AB plus B square. Then for this one, A minus B, A square, A minus B. I need to verify this. I feel I forgot. No, I cannot forget. Let me see. A minus B, A square minus AB plus B square. But I want to confirm this honestly. A cube minus B cube. I want to confirm. Hold on. This one you cannot afford to forget, please. I'll just check on that, please. I made a mistake. Okay. Plus B cube. See, it's a minus. Yes, I made a mistake, guys. Let me please correct it. Please write it down correctly. Hold on. Here, A square minus AB plus B square. Here, all are plus. You will have to memorize this. These 4 as a part of, these are cubes. This is difference of cubes. Like, see, in algebra 1, you learn difference of squares, right? And square terms, squaring, you just separated that out. Now in algebra 2, you learn cubing and then sum of cubes and difference of cubes. Make sense? You can prove each of this. Each of this you can prove. Literally, you can FOIL this and show that it's equal to this. You can FOIL these two, show that this is equal to this. In this case, you will write this out as A minus B times A minus B times A minus B. Multiply using FOIL. You will get this. That will all take time. So, if you know multiplication, you can always prove that. But then, it's important to memorize. Can I go ahead? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Now, factoring we have done a little bit in algebra 1. I know that's not enough, but we'll see how much of factoring we can do a little bit later. Let me go to the division. First, let me show you certain things in division. Then let's see. See, you all know the basic division, right? Let's say you are given 27 divided by 2. What do? How many 2's in 2? 1, 2, 0, bring down 7. How many 3's in 7? 6, remainder is 1. This is what you do. Same applies for polynomial division. I'll show you one, then you can do the rest, okay? Let's see this one. I'll show you one division and then you can do slowly, okay? One major thing in polynomial is dividend. The dividend, whatever you put inside, should have all powers of x. If there is any power of x that's missing, you will add a 0 x power of that. I'll show you. I'll give you an example as well. How about this? Yep, how about this? 4x cube. I'm going to give you this. 4. There is a polynomial. This is a polynomial, right? I'm going to do it on the board, okay? I want to divide this by x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, in this case, right, how do I do it? This is called my dividend. Please, you have to remember all this. You have to be able to use this. What you are dividing it with, right, that is called what? Do you remember?
Divide.
What is that? Go ahead, divisor. The answer that you get is what? What is the answer that you get?
Quotient.
Quotient. Now, in this case, right, you will always say dividend. The original big number will be equal to divisor times your quotient plus remainder. Are you all with me on this?
Yep.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and try doing this. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 5. If you're thorough with all of this, there's nothing hard about the right side. Now, I'm going to do this on the board. I just copied my divisor divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. Thing is, it's relatively easy provided we follow the same rules. I will just observe the first. What should I multiply with x square to get 4x cube? What should I multiply with x square to get this 4x cube?
4x.
Yup, 4x. So I'll do that. And then now I'll multiply everything. So that will be 4x cube plus 12x square plus 4x. Any questions still here? Subtract now. Whatever I do, right, here I will subtract, right, 2 minus 2 is 0. So I'll do that here. So now the subtraction carries for every term. 4x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Always the first term will get cancelled. That's what we are matching up, right? So the second term, 2x square minus 12x square will become minus 10x square. Then 3x minus 4x will be minus x. This is my remainder, right? Now plus 5 comes down. First when you write out your divisor, what you'll make sure? You have all the powers of x. Power of 3 is there, power of 2 is there, power of 1 is there. This is power 0. This is power 0 means x power of 0 is 1. Krishiv, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now again I am going to continue the same. How many x squares are present in minus 10x square? Minus 10. So I'll multiply with everything. Minus 10x square minus 30x minus 10. Now subtract. When I subtract, this will be gone. This will be minus x plus 30x. That will be minus 29x. This will be plus 15. Any questions here? So my quotient
You did
is
it? Plus 29x.
Did I make a mistake? Yes, I did make a mistake. Thanks. 29x plus 15 is my remainder. Quotient is 4x minus 10. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on?
Mhm.
So the long division, first you need to observe just our division. This same division will hold good. You need to observe the first term only to decide what goes in the quotient. One big thing everybody who starts long division will make a mistake is you will always forget to check whether there are all powers of x present. Sometimes they will not give you this. You will have to put 0x in here. You cannot miss any power of x inside your divisor, in your dividend. Shall we try one more? Okay, how about this? We'll go to synthetic division later. 15x cube plus 8x minus 12. If you're stuck, you have to ask me, show me and tell where you're stuck, then I'll go ahead and do it on the board. Or if you can show me, if you can share screen or whatever, then we can work it out too. 6x plus 1. If you're stuck, you can as well do it on the board and say, hey, this is where I'm stuck, can you help me? Go ahead with this. Anisha, have you graphed polynomials, ma?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Okay. If you need help as well, you have to ping me or you have to shout it out that you need help. If you need help, let me know, guys. Otherwise, how will I know if you don't tell me? What is this? Avni, is that correct? I don't know. To Amma, your constant term is incorrect, ma. In the remainder, ma. In the remainder, your constant term is incorrect, Avni. Abhay, your quotient is correct, but your remainder is the x term is incorrect. Coefficient of x is incorrect. There's a minor mistake for sure in the subtraction for both of you. In the last subtraction, both of you made a small mistake. Anisha. Oh. Maybe then the answer key is incorrect. Huh? Avni and Anisha got this. Yeah, you got it, Anisha. Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
I'm getting two different answers to this. Can you help me
Yeah,
out?
I'll do it on the board. Absolutely. One minute, Rishit. Anisha, a big thing, ma, with your answer. I was very concerned about something. Amma, this is quotient plus remainder by divisor, right, ma? You see what I mean? You have given a multiplication. No, you understood the concept of that, right? Okay. It's just that I don't want you to make it like this. That's it. Because see, when you divide 7 by 2, how do we write it? We write this as 3 plus 1 by 2. That's what we are doing in here. When you divide something, you will write quotient plus remainder by divisor will be your division problem. Yeah, now I'll go ahead with you, Rishit. Give me 1 minute. Let me check the other answers quick. Krish.
Miss Priya, I don't get how to
Yeah,
do
no
that.
problem. I will do on the board. I think that's correct, Abhay. I was concerned about Krishiv's answer. Krishiv, how did you get it? Krishiv. Correct, Avni. Krishiv, how did you get? Correct, Masubi. Krishiv, were you following Krishiv, or can I do it on the board? If I do it on the board, will it help Krishiv? So this is your divisor, right? You're going to divide using 3x square plus 6x plus 1, right? You are going to check the first term. You're going to check the first term. Now, how many 3x square, same, just like your 7 by 2, I'm doing this. How many 3x square can go in 15x cube? It will be 5x. Am I saying it right? Correct, right? But one thing, what did we forget to do? Did we make sure that all the powers of x are present? No, we did not. So, what happens here? Plus 0x square and then plus 8x minus 12. That is better. All the powers of x are present. So, I wrote that down. Now, I will multiply with each. Right? 5 3s are 15 x cube. 5x times 6x is what? 30x square plus 5x, right? Subtract everything. What happens? Minus 30x squared. Then you get plus 3x. Now again, you always write division, daddy, mother, sister, brother, dog. It was your ordinary division, right? Again you perform division. You ask the question, how many 3x square can go in minus 30x square? So that would be minus 10. So minus 30x square minus 60x, then minus 10. When you subtract, minus of minus will become plus. Advait, are you following Advait?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you to solve this one, but you said you were
Okay,
gonna
good.
solve it, so I
Okay.
just didn't message.
So 3 minus of minus, it becomes 63x plus 10 is what I'm getting. What? Oh, I forgot to bring it down. So minus 2. Got it? So remainder is 63x minus 2. So better way of writing it is, this division problem will be equal to quotient plus remainder divided by your divisor. This is just like saying 7 divided by 2. If I ask you, how will you say the answer? 3 plus 1 by 2. Make sense? Any questions here?
So, do we always make sure that whatever the leading coefficient is,
Yes.
whatever the leading coefficient is, we multiply it
Yes,
to
you will find out what should I multiply with this to get this.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
Rishit, are we clear, or do we want to do one more problem in long division?
Can I do one more?
Absolutely.
We were just taught this today.
Oh, no problem at all. Okay. 9 x power of 4 plus x cube plus 11 x square minus 4 divided by x square plus 16. Can we do this? 9 x power of 4 plus x cube minus plus 11 x square minus 4. Please make sure all powers of x are present. That is the first important thing. If you're stuck, immediately ask, don't wait till the end. I'm little off. Wait. X square. Which one did I give you? Not really, Annam. How will you get 5x minus 5x? plus
That was for the last one.
But there also 5x minus
Yeah, I
5x.
realized I was wrong once
Yeah,
you
okay,
showed
okay.
me.
So I'm assuming you're all doing. If you're stuck, just message me. Krishiv, if you're stuck, just take your mouse and then go do it on the board. I'll help you. Shrikar, same thing. If anybody is stuck, please do it on the board yourself and we'll figure it out together. Or you ask me to write on the board for you, you can shout out.
Miss Priya, it's got a really weird answer, so I'm checking it out.
You think so?
Yeah.
Very weird answer. Rishit, first of all, understand something, Rishit. If you are going to divide, see, one sanity check that you need to do. 9x power of 4, you are dividing by x square. So, what should be the degree of the quotient? You see,
Yeah.
So, is your answer, your coefficient seems right though, but is your answer right?
I'll work on it. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem at all. See, this is where you learn, right? So let
Yeah.
me show you. 9x power of 4 plus x cube plus 11x square minus 4. Initially, this is a little hard. X square plus 16. So when you think about it itself, right? What should be your quotient here? I don't want to do on the board unless there's a request.
Would it be x to the power of 3?
Not really, ma. Why x to the power of 3? See, okay, x square should be multiplied with what to get 9x power of 4? You tell me. X square should be multiplied with what to get 9x power of 4? What is missing?
9x squared.
That's what is missing. That's what you put it in here. But you have to go on. There's a lot more. Plus x. The last constant term seems incorrect. As a result, the remainder constant term seems incorrect, Subi. The last constant term of the quotient seems incorrect. So the remainder constant term is as well incorrect. Shrikar, that's right, Shrikar. Wherever you're stuck, let me know, guys. Like this, we'll work it out. Avni, 9x square. I don't know, ma. The last remainder term for you as well, same quotient order. The quotients, the number x power of 0 coefficient is incorrect. Remainders x power of 0 coefficient is incorrect. Same problem. Maybe answer key is wrong. I don't know. I have to check. I'm stuck. Okay, I will do. Annam, did you already answer? Correct, Annam. Very nice. But Annam, some of the terms are missing. Annam, okay. I'll go ahead and show once more.
I have one question.
Yes, please.
So I still don't get why you put like the 0x power thing.
Here you don't have to put. There is a power. Okay, good question. X power of 4 is there. X power of 3 is there. X square is there. X is missing. Correct. So you need to put 0x minus 4.
Yeah, but my question is why do we do that?
If you don't do that, when you multiply, you will end up with a mess and you will be stuck in here somewhere. I will show you. If you don't do that, what will happen? I'll show you.
Miss Priya, can you check my corrected answer?
First, I'll show you the correct answer. Then I'll show you without that 0x. Is that okay, Annam?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll show you. Wait. But not really, ma. Let me go ahead and do. Okay, I got an answer only from Shrikar. That's okay. Let's see. So I have 9x square. Now I multiply with both. We'll see where is the problem. 9x power of 4 plus 16 times 9 is 90 plus 54 is what? I'm getting 144x cube. Did you all get that? Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Yeah.
Okay. When I got this,
I got
I saw
144x squared.
x square. X square is correct. Oh my god, yes. 144 x square is correct because 16 times 9 is 144 x square. Okay, if that is the case, right, when I negate it, this will get cancelled. But when that negation goes here, 144 minus 11 is what? 33 minus 133 x square, but this x cube will still be there. Okay, I have that, but I'll have to bring that 0x in here. Bring down is important too. Then I go back and ask how many x square in x square, how many x square in x cube. It's only x. So x cube plus 16x plus, see, we are missing that gap because this is not having one power of x. Okay, now when you negate it, this will get cancelled. This will be minus 16x, but here it is a 0, right? So that 133 x square is also here. Okay, now I have to bring down, should not forget, minus 4. Now how many x square in this minus 133 x square? Minus 133 minus 133 x square. You know what? I need to multiply 133 and 16. Did you get a 2128? Did you all get a 2128? Let's see.
I got 2128. I just didn't know if it right, so I didn't put my answer in the thing.
Yeah, 2128. Wait, 2128 is correct, but then see 2128 here. So it's a minus 2128, correct? Now
Yeah,
subtract everything. This goes off. So your remainder is minus 16x plus 2124. And then your quotient is this. Did that make sense? Anisha, where did we go wrong, ma?
I forgot that it was 144x squared.
Even I forgot. Subi only pointed out to me. Makes sense.
I got that, but I didn't know if it like right. I thought I was completely off, so I just kept on checking over my work.
Oh, but you got it?
Yeah.
Nice, Abai. Okay, Akshada, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
It definitely takes a while. Okay, polynomial long division is one of the harder ones. See, The thing is, there's always a shortcut. There is something called synthetic division, which does it for you in just one step. But your school is going to ask you to do this, then only do that. They'll give you special problems with long division, and then they'll go for synthetic division. Synthetic division I want to cover, but I want to us all, at least 90% of us, to be thorough with this. So why don't we go ahead and do one more problem? Can we try? How about this? 3, how about this? This is an easy one, you guys can do. 3x cube plus 4x square plus 10 divided by x minus 2. Can you do this? If you are stuck, please ask. But I am not getting answer from 3 of you. I am really waiting. If I don't get it, I am going to call you out. 3x square, 3x cube plus 4x square plus, otherwise you need to be interactive. Say that you didn't get it. What is that you don't get it? All that stuff we can discuss. If you don't say it, then I'll ask. Anya, I understood. You were stuck in traffic was what your mom said. It's absolutely okay. Just follow. We are doing long division, polynomial long division.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can we use synthetic division?
Yeah, I have not yet gone through synthetic division. I will do it.
But are we doing long division or synthetic division?
No, we are not doing synthetic division yet. Please
Okay.
do long division. Oh, you already got your answer, lady.
This is Priya. My chat isn't working for some reason.
Why? I can give you a ping and you can chat on that. Now you can ping me, Rishit.
Okay.
Okay, now Anisha answered, right? Let me see, Anisha. 3 plus correct, Anisha.
Am I right?
I'll check. I didn't check. Thanks for asking. Avni, the remainder is incorrect. Fine. See, when that minus penetrates, you are just making a mistake there. Nice, Anya. Akshada, I was about to check yours.
I have to use the restroom. I'll be right back.
Yes, ma. 3x squared plus 10x. 3x squared plus 10x. Correct, Akshada. Avni, correct. You corrected it. Subi, same mistake as
working for some
Avni.
reason.
Your remainder is incorrect. The last minus you have to penetrate through. How tell that, Avni. How did you do the same problem for Subi? Understood, huh? Subi, did you get it?
Did I have to negate?
Yeah, you have to negate the below.
Oh.
Whenever you subtract, right, the easiest thing is negate the second polynomial and add. Then you won't make mistakes. Abhay, ayo, again the same mistake. The same remainder, second term is incorrect, I feel. Let me see once more. 10x. No, the quotient as well, the last term is incorrect. Abhay. Can you check? Remainder as well, remainder is incorrect. So the last term of the quotient became incorrect, so the remainder became incorrect. Can you check? I think you can fix it. You
Okay.
understood the concept. Annam. Oh, Annam, good job, Annam. Let me see. Looks like it's right. 3x square plus 20. Annam, remainder is incorrect. What are you writing as remainder? Rishiv, can I get your answer this time? Krishiv, can I get your answer this
Not
time?
working.
Yeah. I'll do ma if you want. Hey, correct, Rishika. Annam, where are you writing the remainder? Remainder is what remains at the end, right?
Yeah.
How is it x minus 2? Check again.
Oh, I
Did you
think
understand?
I
What
think
was
I
the remainder?
just flipped the order, yeah.
Yes, remainder by divisor. Go in a clockwise direction. Advait, very nice to get your answer. Good job. Krishav, this time can I get your answer too?
Yeah, I'm typing in.
Yeah. Now that we got it right, I'll show you synthetic division. Please don't use synthetic division when you have to use this, okay? But the bigger important ones are remainder theorem and factor theorem. That is what is important. Remainder theorem and factor theorem. Those are the most important ones in this chapter. But for that you need to know division in both ways. Did you all get it? I think I can move on now. Krishiv, should I wait? Abhay, you fixed, huh? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm typing it.
Okay, Krishiv.
I don't think I got the remainder right.
No, you got. Okay, let me go ahead and do for you, Krishav. See, 10 divide by x minus 2, right? The first one you have done it correctly. Okay, 3x square is correct. And after that, 3x cube comes here. But then minus 6x square comes, right? Now you have to subtract, right? Instead of subtracting, negate the second polynomial and add. That's the easiest way to go. This becomes 10x square. But there is a 0x in here. Plus 0x, right? Yeah, that is in there. So now, Annam, you asked a question, right, Annam? If there is no 0x, what would happen? I'm going to show you after this. Now,
Okay.
x. So now it is 10x. So that will get you 10x square minus 20x, right? When you subtract this, you get, see, subtract means negate and add. So this is 20x plus 10. So this will be plus 20. So 20x minus 20. When you subtract means negate and then add. So the remainder is, what did I do in the world? The remainder is 50. The remainder is 50. Quotient is this. So you will write it down as quotient.
Remainder is 30, right? Because it's positive 10 minus 40.
Positive 10 plus 40, right?
Is it?
Because this was negative 40, when it was negated, it became plus 40.
Okay. I'm
Makes
kind of
sense?
confused what I did wrong.
I thought you said 10 was the
Okay, where are we getting confused? Let's do.
Okay, wait. So at when you do 10x, it's 10x times negative 2, right? So wouldn't it be negative 20x, and then you drop the negative 20x, so it'd be negative 20x plus 10.
No, it was negative 20x, but what did we do? This was subtraction, so we negated the down polynomial,
Oh, okay,
right?
okay. Now I see what I did wrong.
Makes sense. So now this was 20x plus 10, right? Now this was a
Yeah.
plus 20. It ended up with 20x minus 40 only. But then you had to subtract it. So what I did was negate the second polynomial and add both. You got
Yeah, I
it?
get it. Yeah.
Annam, did you get that? Now Annam asked a nice question. She asked, if there is no 0x, what would happen? If I don't have a 0x, if I forget to add that 0x, everything will go for a task. I'll tell you why. If it is 10x square, if you bring down the 10 by mistake without knowing that there is a 0x, see what happens here. 10x times x is 10x square, then you will have minus 20x. Minus 20x. You see the problem here?
Yeah, that's what I did, I think.
You don't know what you want to do here. That is why it's better to, if you add a 0x, you'll be clear of what is happening. You got it?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Meaning you can do it still, but you will be very confused. I don't want that confusion now when you start. You got it? Okay, now, I don't want to erase the same problem. I want to do it in another way. Okay, synthetic division. That's so easy, very easy. So now this big division can be quickly done in a very nice way. Okay, just copy your coefficient. Make sure all coefficients of x are present. 3, 4. There is a 0x here. Do you see? So 0, 10. I'm just going to copy the coefficients. 3, 4, 0, 10. When I want to divide by x minus 2, this is your divisor, right? Equate your divisor to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So you're going to divide by 2. I'm going to draw a ladder. Any questions still here? I'm just going to copy the coefficients. Don't forget the 0 coefficient should be considered. Okay. Any questions still here? Now I will bring this down. Directly I'll write this down 3. First drop it down. Okay. Then multiply the 2, write it here. Make sense? Then add the 2, drop it down. Then multiply the 2, write it here. Then add the 2, write it down here. Multiply the 2, write it here. Now add the 2. Does that make sense to you? What did I do? Did I make a mistake?
No, you're right.
Yep. So that is the remainder. Who is new to this? Completely new to this? Okay. Okay, you might not have understood anything, right? Yet. Okay. Let's go one more time. It's very easy, okay? But you have to understand. I'm just copying the coefficients. 3, 4, 0, 10. Okay? I said you equate your divisor to 2, to 0. If you equate it to 0, x is equal to 2, so you're going to divide by 2. First drop it down, okay? Then I'm going to multiply whatever comes here and then write it, then. Now 2 times 3 is a 6, I'll write it here, okay? Whatever here, I'll add it, write it. Now again, with my divisor, I'll multiply this, write it here, add both, write it here. Again, you multiply it with this, write it here, add both here, write it. The last is your divisor. Does that make sense? Much better, right? Second time. Now the thing is, what is this? It's like a magic, right? No, it's not. What you're doing is, when you're dividing by 2, you're just saying, see, the polynomial of power 3 is getting reduced to a polynomial of power 2. You are just decreasing it by 1. This is x power of 0. So when you divided it, you reduced it to this. This is your reduced polynomial. By 1 degree it reduced. This is your reduced polynomial. This is your remainder. If the remainder is 0, right? If the remainder here becomes 0, can I say that this is a factor of this?
Yeah.
If your remainder is 0, automatically let's say 6 divided by 2, the remainder is 0, you can say, hey, 2 is a factor of 6. You say that, right?
Yeah.
So like that, if I divide 2 polynomials, and by synthetic division is the easiest. You will never go to long division once you understand synthetic division. So in synthetic division, if you get the remainder as 0, I can very well say that this is a factor of my divisor, correct? That's what the factor theorem says. How to find out factors? They'll ask you, hey, check whether this is a factor. So what do you do? Immediately you do synthetic division, see the remainder. If the remainder is 0, yes, it is a factor. The remainder is not 0, then it is not a factor. Make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, now let's see this one. You're going to do this by synthetic division. Okay, let's try. Let's do it by synthetic division. How about this? Try using synthetic division. If you're not getting used to, I'm going to do it on the board. X cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 12. You're going to divide this by x plus 3. That means, first let's review this. You're going to write out the coefficients 1, 3, minus 4, minus 12. Do we have all the powers of x? 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. But what are you going to divide by? I would like to get the answer from Subhi or Krishiv or Akshada or whoever is new. New in the sense new to synthetic division.
-3.
Yep, that's it. Now drop it down. This is all addition. Whatever you do vertically is all addition. Here only multiplication. This is 0, right? Drop it down. First is dropping it down. And then you are going to multiply and write it here. Then you are going to add 0. Like that you continue. Tell me what is the remainder.
Give me your phone.
Oh, is it a factor?
Yeah, it's a factor.
Oh yeah, it is a factor, correct. So the remainder will be 0. If you are not getting zeros, it is your duty to ask how to do.
Can you explain how
Yes,
to
I
do
will definitely, ma. The remainder is 0, I can call that it's a factor. Now, for Annam, I'm going to redo this, okay? I don't want all this now. Okay. Annam, you got how we wrote the coefficients, Annam?
Yeah,
And you got how we got this -3?
yeah.
Okay, drop this down. 1. Now start multiplying. -3 times 1 is -3. Now whatever vertical I'll add and write. Now you see what and what should be multiplied. You tell me.
Wait, so
-3 times 0.
for the first coefficient, will you always bring it as it is?
Yeah, correct. For the first coefficient, we'll always bring it as it is.
Okay, and then the next one is 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the next one is -4,
Yeah.
and then the next one is 48.
No, you
No?
need to multiply with this.
Oh, the next one is 144.
4 times.
No?
No, -3 times -4, right, Amma? Divisor should be multiplied.
12?
Yes, 12. So -12 plus 12 is a 0. Since the remainder is 0,
Oh, okay,
what is the
okay.
quotient? Here, finding out the quotient is not tough once you understand. This cube polynomial will become a reduced polynomial with these coefficients. So it will be x square, x factor is 0x, right? You don't have to say -4. So this is your quotient. Make sense? This is your reduced polynomial coefficients. It will get reduced by 1, that's it, because this is a linear factor. You are dividing by a linear factor. The cubic polynomial, you are dividing by a linear expression, right? Meaning x power of 1. So your quotient should have x squared. It reduces by 1 because synthetic division is always only by a linear divisor. So your reduced polynomial will have one less degree, that's all.
Okay.
You know what? Since this is your reduced polynomial, right guys, this is difference of squares. So can I write this out as x minus 3 is a factor of this, that I wrote it, and then this is your reduced polynomial. How will you write this? X plus 2, x minus 2. See, this big of a polynomial, I was able to write it out as linear factors. Did you see how we did that? See, because this is a factor already, so I wrote that down here. X plus 3 x plus 3. So I wrote that down.
What if the divisor was not linear?
Divisor in this case is if it's not linear,
If it's
you
not
can't
linear, do we do long division?
yeah, you can't do synthetic division.
I mean, I think there should be a way where you have to split it up and make, say it's quadratic, you make two linear factors, and then
Oh yeah, we'll definitely be able to express the polynomial as linear factors if it is factorizable like that. However, what I just meant was, if you have a divisor whose power is greater than 1, whose leading power is greater than 1, then we will follow long division first.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Synthetic division is usually done only when you have linear divisors.
I got it.
But a very nice question though. Avani, sorry, put the okay. Now only I'm seeing your. Okay, any questions on the synthetic division? Now you're going to do synthetic division. How about this? X power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 6x square plus 4x plus 5. Oh my god. My pen is not writing at all. X power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 6x square plus 4x plus 5. You are going to divide it with x plus 1. Use synthetic division, guys. See, but if I say, okay, for that matter, right, this big of a polynomial can be written as a product of linear factors. You can go on doing synthetic division for every reduced polynomial. You can go on doing synthetic division for every reduced polynomial. You will get the product of what are all the linear factors you will get.
Miss Priya, I answered the thing in the chat.
Yes, I saw. MC, hold on. Oh, Anisha. Okay, nice, Anisha. Nice, Avni. I think you all got it. Akshada, nice, ma. Minus 5x cube. Akshada. Ma, the given polynomial is x power of 4, ma. Have you given me the reduced polynomial? Akshada.
Yeah.
Have you given me the reduced polynomial?
Yeah.
See, the given polynomial is x power of 4 means if it's divided by x, the leading power should be what?
2.
Illama. See,
Oh,
x power of 4 divided by x.
Yeah, 3.
3, right? So it should have been 3. Do you see what I mean?
Oh, yeah. I'll change it.
Yeah, no problem. No. As long as you understand, I'm fine. But again, minus x. Everything is correct, okay? But only the powers are all increased by 1. You got it? Yeah. When you send me the reduced polynomial, make sure your power reduces. There's no point having the same power, right? Because it was divided by x. Yes, Subhi. Abhay, you got it? Nice, Abhay. Annam. Annam. How did you get that, Annam? Okay, I'm going to do it. Krishiv, I'm not getting answers. I'm not sure what's going on. 1 minus 4 minus 6 4 5, right? 4 3 2 1 0, correct. So I don't want to do that. I want to do it with a minus 1. Annam, I'm doing it for you. Advait, I'm not getting answers. I don't know what you're doing too. So 1 is down here. I multiply minus 1. Annam, are you following?
I said,
Yeah.
I asked if I could have help on this problem.
Oh, sorry, ma. Okay, Advait. So minus 5. Minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5. Add it together. I get a minus 1. I multiply the 2. Advait, are you with me?
Okay, so I think my mistake was I didn't. Wait, actually.
So the reduced polynomial means from 4 it reduces to x cube, 1x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5 is this times x plus 1 is the original polynomial. Makes sense? I am going on reducing the powers and writing out as linear factors. Does that make sense? Advait, were you able to follow? Advait, were you able to follow?
Yeah. Kind of.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
how did you set that up?
Which one, ma? Yeah,
The
ask any question, right?
the simplified formula. How did you set that up?
Excuse me. This was a factor, right, ma? Factor means this is divisible, right? So this entire polynomial will be equal to x plus 1 times some other polynomial, correct?
Yeah.
That polynomial's coefficients are here. You got it? From this polynomial, I took 1x out, right? So my reduced polynomial should be x cube, something x cube here. So what is the coefficient? 1x cube. This is minus 5 x square. I keep on reducing the powers. Minus 1x plus 5. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let me put another perception to you. Okay. You understood factor theorem. Okay. Basically, you understood. But there's more to it related to another theorem called remainder theorem. Okay. Now, let's see this. There's a function, there's a polynomial function given here. Meaning, see, once you understand the concept of this, right, come whatever question you will have to tackle. Volume function is given by this x cube minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12. see, this is a different perception of looking at the same problem. Okay, now they have given v of 1 equal to 0, v of 3 equal to 0. What this means, guys? What does it mean to say v of 1 equal to 0 and v of 3 equal to 0? What does it mean? I have to, yeah, go ahead.
I don't got it.
What does it mean? If you substitute your input equal to 1, your output becomes 0 means, what is that? If you substitute, see, on a line function, y equal to x plus 1, when will y become 0? When will y become 0?
When x is -1.
Yeah, but what is it called?
Oh,
When
is it?
What is it called?
divides-
What is it called? When x becomes -1, y becomes 0. But what is that point called?
The y-intercept?
Y-intercept, good job. Now what I am asking is, the y becomes 0. What is that point
x-intercept.
called? X-intercept. So, what is this? This is a function y. Y value became 0. That means what?
That's the x-intercept.
These are the x-intercepts or zeros of the function. X-intercepts or zeros, or what are they called? Roots of the function, right? Right. These are the x values for which the y value will be equal to 0. That means when you draw it on a graph, those are your x-intercepts, correct? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
That's a different way of looking at it. So, what do you think? Now, if 1 is a factor, if I do synthetic division using 1, I will get a reduced polynomial, right? Okay, let me show you.
Yeah.
What will be the remainder there?
0.
The remainder will be 0. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
On that reduced polynomial, you can again use the 3. Again, you will have a remainder 0, but you will have another reduced polynomial, correct?
Yeah.
So, basically, let me do that and show you. I want to do that and show you. Meaning if you can think a little bit into in depth, right, everything becomes very easy. -8, 19, -12. Do we have all the powers? Yes. 1. Then I put as 1 here. 1 times 1. I'll do for want of time. -7. Then this is 12. Rishit, are you following, Rishit?
Yeah.
Okay. 12. And then what? 12 here. See, I'm getting 0. Now, my reduced, see, so this big polynomial, I can write it down as x minus 1 is one factor to it. Right? It's a cubic polynomial. Okay, volume function, right? It's a cubic polynomial. Volume means 3 dimensions, right? It's a cubic polynomial. So, one of the factors is x minus 1. Again, what I am saying is, I'll take this 1 minus 7, 12. What is that polynomial there? X cube would have become x square minus 7x plus 12. Right? I can write this out as x square minus 7x plus 12. Okay. After this, again I can take that polynomial. Again I can substitute this 3, meaning I can factorize it using 3. Then again what will I get? See, 0. What is the reduce? Then I can write this polynomial as x minus 3 times what? Now, we considered x square. So, this should be x minus 4. Makes sense, guys?
Yeah.
Now, these 3 are the dimensions of some cube or whatever, the volume function, right? So, this is your total volume. Volume function is given by that and the dimensions are 1, 3 and 4. See what I mean?
Okay. Yeah, I get it. That makes sense.
Yeah, so a little bit of internally you have to think, oh, there's a cubic polynomial, means it will have 3 linear factors. Sometimes it will not be factorizable. This will be an irreducible polynomial. That means you cannot factorize it at all. Okay, in this scenario, they have given a sample where you can reduce it nicely. Here you are able to do 2 times linear synthetic division and you are able to reduce it. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay, then I'll do one thing. I'll stop here. I'll let you go. I'll assign a lot of homework I can give, but I don't want to give a lot of homework. I'll do one thing. I'll give less homework. Only the exercises I'll give it to you as homework. You can do that at home, but please do it and come next week. If you have any questions, stay. Otherwise, you can leave. That was a long class. Next week we'll meet at the usual time, guys. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Please do the
Thank you.
homework. Okay, bye, ma.
Bye.
Bye, guys. One second. Okay, I have a huge issue here with the charging cable. Hold on, something is wrong. Wait, I'll oh my goodness, what is going on here? It's not charging, it says. What does it mean? I don't know. Is it charging? Okay, it's clearly not charging. Okay, give me a minute, guys. I can't continue class if this is so late. What does it mean? Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Hi guys. Why? Everybody forgot the class? One second guys, I have a problem here. Okay. I don't know what is going on. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, so many of them are not coming to class today, huh? Okay, let me remind them one more time. One second, Amma. Geometry, what happened? Friday. Oh, Ashrita is not coming. Dhruv, Johan is not in here. What's going on with so many others? Okay. Ananya is coming. Oh, Ashrita is coming. Okay, good. Let's go ahead. Okay, guys. What are you doing in class, Ananya?
We're basically learning about like parallelograms and rectangles and like their properties, and we just took a test over like basically like we find so like they plot a shape on the graph, and we have to like find the distance and like prove what kind of shape it is. Like if it's a rhombus, we have to prove that all the sides are equal, and that like
Got it.
yeah.
I got it. Okay. Now we have completed quadrilaterals. Any questions on that? Oh, did we complete proofs? I think we have done, but I didn't give you the extra proofs or anything. Okay. 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 One second, guys. I'm checking on something. So proofs were any questions on quadrilaterals or proofs that we have already done?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Today is Friday. Okay. Have we covered 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90, guys?
For triangles?
Yeah, for triangles. Similar triangles I have not covered, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I went ahead and covered similar triangles in the other class, but I want to cover isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, mid segments, medians, as well as a part of, as we move up before the December break, we will go ahead and do similar triangles, altitudes, mid segments, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Transformations we have done, isn't it?
Yes.
Have we done transform? Okay, so that's good. So we will do similar triangles and then proportionality theorems along with mid segments, medians, all this stuff, meaning related to equilateral and isosceles triangles. Let's see. That's the plan. Okay. So many are in here. Good. Okay. Triangle similarity is very similar to congruence. We have covered congruence, so you have a good idea of what we are going to cover. Okay, but at the same time, similarity is a little different than congruence. What is the difference between these two? This is one set, this is one set. What is we are working on triangle similarity for today. Okay, but moving further before the break, my intent is to finish triangle similarity, do proofs on triangle similarity. Proofs can be very complicated if you go to competitive math, but with respect to your school based geometry, you don't get to cover complicated proofs. Okay, proofs are very simple, very easy ones. However, you need to understand the concept well. And then there's another part called isosceles versus equilateral triangles. Okay, and then proportionality theorem. These are the ones that we'll cover. Okay, theorem, and then mid segments, medians, all this stuff. Mid segment, medians, all this stuff related to these are the ones which I'll try to cover before the break. Okay, having said that, right, now let's go ahead with triangle similarity. Now tell me one another thing, did we complete the makeup? 2 classes we had and we completed it. Am I correct or incorrect? Correct, right? Guys, you have to educate me. Did we cover with the makeup?
I think we did.
Yeah, because see, I have matched up with the other class. That will always tell me that we are on par, but I just want to verify. Now, what is the difference between these two sets of triangles?
For the first one, both the sizes are like congruent,
Yep.
but for the second one, both the triangles are just similar. They're not the same size.
Yep. Similar, you use this. Same shape. This I call it as congruent. That means same shape, same size. Similar means this is the symbol for it. So this is same shape, different size. That's the only difference. Can we move on? Okay. My problem is, did I forget to assign homework? Looks like it, right? Today is Friday. Yeah, I have forgotten to assign the homework here. Okay, give a minute. I'll be back. Okay. Triangle similarity, not this one. You're going to give me a minute, guys. Hold on. Similarity, similar triangles. What? You have to give me a minute. Okay, hold on. Similar. I got it. Okay, the similarity can apply not just for triangles, but it can also be applicable to polygons easily. Okay, so let's say we'll consider 2 polygons. Okay, we'll start with polygons and then we'll move on to triangle similarity. I would like to cover all of it today. Okay, when you look at this, right, clearly there are indications. Before I consider this one, right, tell me now, meaning triangles, when they are similar, right, they can be of different shapes. We understood that. Okay, however, suppose this is 3, this is 6, let's say, this is 4, let's say this is 8, okay, this is 5, let's say this is a 10. Now we know that there is a multiplication factor. If it gets bigger, the factor is going to be greater than 1, right? So there's always a multiplication factor for this similar triangles, meaning what I can say about the sides, let's say A, B, C, this is D, E, F. Guys, don't go with the diagram. always look at the order of the letters. Triangle ABC is similar to DF, just like congruence, guys. If I had said that the triangles are congruent, I would have said AB is congruent to DE, BC is congruent to EF, AC is congruent to DF. That's what I would have said. But here they are similar. I can't say that. So I will be able to say AB by DE is equal to BC by EF should be the same multiplication factor for AC by DF. Any questions? Meaning, if a polygon is similar, I will say sides cannot be congruent, but sides are proportional. The ratio is the same. If you consider ABC triangle first, ABC triangle side should always be in the numerator. Don't change that. If you change that, you'll make a mistake. Okay, now let's try this one. How about the angles, guys? Angles should also be proportional or what? How should the angles be?
I think the angle should be congruent.
Congruent. It cannot be proportional. Honestly, it cannot be proportional. Okay, if it is proportional, what would happen? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle will explode. So the angles should be congruent. Angles are congruent in similar triangles. The sides are proportional. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
But please don't make mistakes in writing this proportions. This we learned in 7th grade. But I know several of you might have forgotten and you need to review this and be on your toes on this. Okay. Now, when you consider these two polygons, when you write their similarity, right, it is so important. First of all, how will you write the order? Writing the order is quite a little bit of focus you need. W is congruent to P. Angle W is congruent to P. Z is congruent to S. Double, right? You see double. Similarly, Q is congruent to X, I think. Similarly, R is congruent to Y. So that being the case, how am I to do this? WXYZ, let me call WXYZ. I went here. WXYZ, so that will be similar to PQRS. Any questions, guys? Polygon WXYZ is similar to polygon PQRS. Any questions? How do I write the ratio of the sides? WX by PQ will be equal to XY by QR will be equal to YZ by RS will be equal to WZ by PS. Any questions? Writing proportionality is quite important. Can I move on?
Can you keep it on this page for a second? I'm writing it down.
Sure. Hey, Pratika, I wanted to ask you something. You're doing Algebra 1 at school, right, ma?
Yes.
Okay, are you following these, ma? Are you keeping up with geometry homework properly?
Yes.
Okay, good. Are you going to take acceleration, Pratika?
I think so.
Okay, one thing, there are several of you who are wanting to do acceleration, right? By February, they'll give you the form. Don't forget to sign up. I have had parents who did forget to sign up the first time. Okay, because of that, the kid unfortunately did not clear the second time with 2 points less and stuff. The kid had to repeat the whole entire course, meaning entire geometry at school, right? It's unnecessary, right? But you know, the kid scaled up very well. He did Algebra 2 and CBE Algebra 2. That's also there. But then we don't want to end up in such scenarios where you miss signing up. The form should come out by February. If it's not coming up, ask your parents to ask your teachers, or you can go ask your teachers for the forms to sign up for the acceleration exam. We might have to speed up a little bit if we want to cover for CBE exams. Let's see how it goes. Because
I think there are also exams that happen in May.
true, ma, but sign up for that depends on ISD. See, Plano has in May and July. Okay, for you, I don't know. You have to check and let me know. Frisco has their exam in April. Such a pressure on me, by April we cannot complete probability. So if you guys, I can get you the material. If you can walk through that and come back, I'll help you accelerate that probability check. In the acceleration exam, probability is such a very important piece. You will have a lot of problems in probability. If you are planning to accelerate, I can send the materials. Make sure you go through, you come back, ask questions. Like that we'll clarify, because I'll also be pushing as much as possible. However, I'm extremely sorry, guys. Okay, I didn't have the phone. My charge went off and I am back. I'm very sorry. Shall we go ahead? Sorry, guys. Okay. I was meddling with the charger, right when the class started. Some problem with my charger. It's disconnecting by itself. Whatever I charge, it's not charging properly. I'm sorry about it. Let's move on. Okay, but I need a little bit of time. Hold on. Everything is starting up again. So we are on similarity, right? So let's see this one here. What is the scale factor in the same polygon? Am I sharing my screen? Yes. So what is the scale factor? What is the scale factor to scale WXYZ to PQRS? What is the scale factor? Would you be able to send it to me in chat? Whenever I get disconnected, guys, please be sure that I'll be back somehow. So just be patient and hang on there. Anytime in future too. Yeah, Johan correct. 3 by 2. What am 3 by 2? When I ask you for the scale factor, right? Okay, let me ask you this. I'm saying, what? Let me write out the question. I want you to understand and do by yourself. What is the scale factor when WXYZ is scaled to PQRS? I'm going to wait and see. You have to do sanity checks. You have to do sanity checks. What is the scale factor when WXYZ is scaled to PQRS? What does it mean? Is it right? I don't know. Some of you are getting it incorrectly. Ashita correct. Shreya incorrect. Avyukt you changed. So you got it. Dhruv, good job. Prisha, good job. Johan, Johan. My problem is, some of you are saying 2 by 3, some of you are saying, Johan, I'm checking, 3 by 4. I don't know how you all got what, different answers are coming. So basically WX, PQ, right? So 12 by 8, 18 by 12, then 10 by 15. Okay, I'm writing proportional equation, but for my scale factor, right, I'll always write this new by old. Scale factor, proportionality can be written however we want, okay. I can write 12 by 8 will be equal to 18 by 12, 10 by 15, 6 by 9, I can write. Proportionality I can write like this, or I can write 8 by 12 equal to 12 by 18 equal to, this is not, wait guys, 12 by 8. And then 18 by 12 and then 15 by 10. 15 by 10, then I can write it out as 9 by 6. I can either write like this or I can write the other way as well. 10 by 15 equal to 6 by 9. This is proportionality for the sides. However, the scale factor is always new by old. New is what? Is scaled to PQRS. So, it is 6 by 9. That means 2 by 3. Any questions? See, what sanity check I wanted you to do was, has it reduced in size? My scale factor will be less than 1. Has it reduced in size means scale factor is less than 1. Increased in size means scale factor is greater than 1. Shreya, is your mom back, ma?
Yeah, she came back.
Okay, nice. And you're feeling better now? Everything worked out?
Yeah.
Nice. Mom is back, so everything is working. Okay, let's go ahead. But if you need help, let me know.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and try. I don't know. Okay, how about this? This is a good one. What is the value of this? Exactly the same problem you have done in 7th grade, I think. But try for the first time, meaning for the first few problems, try easy ones. Can you send the decimal answer? Send the decimal answer.
You want us to find x, right?
Yes. And right, starting from now, right, I would like you all to start. If you're CBing, I want you to do some assessments. Maybe what I'll do, I'll make sure all these get posted by next week. Okay, if not, one of you are going to remind me. Okay, I will make sure all of these get posted by next week same time. Okay, if it's not there, please keep me posted. One of you should remind me, and I'll make sure I have all your assignments in place. Start working chapter by chapter. Does it sound like a plan?
Make sure all of what is posted.
Assessments for every unit, ma.
Oh,
We are
okay.
all doing nice, easy problems. You should see what are the problems that might come, right? See, we are studying topic by topic by topic by topic. Now all the topics are combined. You should remember everything, right? We'll know only then. See what I mean? Yes, Johan. Use a calculator. You don't have to. Johan, did you use a calculator?
No.
Did you use?
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. Okay. He didn't, Dhruv. Possible not to use, don't use.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to know like the decimal, so
Yeah.
I asked if I could.
Don't use unless it's required. Meaning I did not know whether it was complex. So yeah. So that's why I asked Johan. Looks like it was not. So you don't have to. If it's not complex, don't use.
Okay, yeah.
Prisha, you got it, ma? Oh, again my charge is gone. Oh my gosh. Can we go ahead? If you didn't get it, it's time you should ask me. Prisha, correct? Avyuk, did you get it?
I'm still solving.
Okay, I'll wait. Oh, this one was a tricky one. Let's do this one. Shreya, correct me. Ashrita, not really. How did you get that? Ananya, you're not answering. I don't know what's going on. Ashrita, how did you get that? Prisha, I'm waiting for your answer. Ashrita, I don't know.
I'm kind of confused. Can you explain?
I don't mind if you tell me how you did. So we'll see where is the mistake. Doesn't matter one bit. You want to say or you want me to say?
Okay. I'll say
Hmm.
it. First I put I set up the proportion using the property of like similar triangles. So I did AD over AC is equal to AF over AB.
Correct.
And then
Wait,
so
that itself would suffice, right?
and then because AD is 9, DC is 6, AF is
Wait. AD over AC you said, but you're substituting DC? AD over AC is 15, right?
Oh, okay.
AF over AB is 18, right?
Yeah.
So X will be equal to 9 times 18 by 15, right? So 18 times 3, 30 plus 24, 54 by 5, right? 10.8. Okay. Pratika, did you get ma?
Miss Priya, can you keep that on the board real quick?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, for those who have done right, you can proceed, guys.
Thank you.
Yep. You can proceed with the next problem. If you're getting it, I'll move on. Sure, Dhruv. Ananya, how are you doing in school, ma? Good in geometry?
Wait, are you asking me?
Yes, you're only Ananya.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't hear if you said my name. Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay, good. Are you planning to CB algebra too? No.
Maybe. I wasn't thinking about algebra 2. I was thinking about like biology, but
Yes. I'm with you. Whatever you want to. There's no pressure. I'm just asking.
some people in my school did it last year, so I was thinking I could probably do it this year.
You can do it this year, na? What grade are you in, ma?
8th.
8th. See, I have really no idea of your grades as you move up. Only I know that you come for which class. Okay. So that is the case. Then you have to CB at honors biology, right?
Yeah.
You know how to do it?
I can learn.
No. You can do the course in UTD. You don't have to CB. You know that?
No. Can you like tell my mom the
Yeah. Can your mom ping me? I'll tell you because
Okay.
That's easier.
Thank you.
Okay. Pratika. Okay. But please give me the ratio. Don't say yes or no, guys. Yeah, Mashaya, I think you rounded a little bit too much. I don't know. I thought it was 0.1 less. But let me wait for the others. Pratika, give me the ratio, Pratika. Then only I'll be able to believe, right?
Yeah, I'm putting it in right now.
Yeah. Johan, please do the calculation and tell me. Use the calculator if you want to, but you don't have to actually, but it's okay. Yes, Prisha. Hey, Prisha also got the same answer, ma. Shreya. So I think I'll leave it to you guys. If you both are getting the same, I'm fine. Because when I did the same thing in last class, in the other class I did it, I got 0.1 less. Dhruv correct. Avyukt correct. See, the ratio can be both way. Numerator, denominator, which one you're putting in the numerator matters. You have to put the same way, that's all. Pratika correct. It's off by 1. Oh, but I don't see. That's what they are also asking to the nearest 10th. Did you see, Johan? Did you see, Pratika?
Yeah, I just saw it right after I sent it. I was like, oh.
Yeah. Even I was stuck there actually. And after that, when we went ahead and read the problem, it was rounded to the nearest 10th. So read the question as well anytime. Johan, I'm yet to get your right answer. I'll wait. No problem. No pressure. Prisha, please your answer.
I did send it.
Oh, you sent, ma. Wait, I didn't see. Johan, 32.25 by 14.5. 10.75 by 12. Johan, are you sure this is incorrect? I'm becoming nuts. Johan, it cannot be 155.9 first of all, because 1325 by 1450, right? It has to be less than 1. You see, Johan, see, do a sanity check and see. I am seeing, see, whatever ratio you have given is this, right? This ratio should be less than 1. Similarly, this ratio as well should be less than 1. You got it? So always do a sanity check when you send answers or write answers in school or anywhere. Johan, did you get that, Johan?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, it should be 0.9 or 1.1. 1.1 or 1.2, whatever. Should be, depends on what you put in the numerator denominator. It has to be either 0.9 or 1.2. Prisha, you sent, Yeah, sorry, Prisha.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let's go ahead. Okay, that is good. So, polynomial. This one. How about this? These are all easy ones. I don't want to do this, but you can do this one. This one problem we'll do, okay? Can do the rest at home. Yeah, we'll cover all the types. There are 3. Okay. So that concludes. Okay, that's good.
Miss Priya, do you want us to find X?
I want you to find out X, yes.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't mention that. I'm sorry. You have to find X.
Do we also need to find Y?
It's okay. Yeah, any one at least send. But similar triangles should be more. Why is it not more? Let me see. Why I'm not seeing okay, that should be an easy one. See, similar triangles a lot more. Oh. See, similar triangles proofs are a lot more. Okay. And then parallel line proportional parts. And then 1 second, guys. Parallel and proportional parts review 1, 2, 3, and after that parts of similar triangles. Oh my gosh, yeah, there's a lot. Okay, 63, 33. 32 seems correct, but X seems incorrect, Johan. Yes, Pratika, that's right. Avyug, that's right. Johan, X seems incorrect to me. Prisha, that's right. Whatever answer you give, one is correct, that's great. Yes, Ashrita, last answer was correct, but this, yes, Johan, you got it. Okay, can I move on? 63 and the other answer should have been 32. Can I move on? Okay, I think that was easy. Now let's go ahead and cover the triangle, whatever triangle similarities are there. I'm going to cover that. Okay, congruence is so hard. We had a lot more, right? This one is so easy. Okay, but one thing, triangles can be similar only in 3 ways. Okay, this particular piece is very easy. What are the triangle similarities that we have? You can have AA similarity. There is no AAA. It doesn't have to be. You see, once 2 angles are similar, congruent, the other angle is automatically congruent. So we don't have AAA similarity. We just have AA similarity, meaning if two triangles have their two angles congruent, then we say that the triangles are similar. Why? The third angle should be congruent. You got it? Please don't go see this triangle. See how I have drawn. I have made it a little bit harder for you, because here you can't say ABC is similar to DEF. Did you see that? I can say ABC is similar to DFE. Do you get what it means? Do you get what it means? I did not do. See, when you read the figure, you'll have a tendency to say ABC is similar to DEF. No. See, 2 same angles. So I can say ACB DEF. Make sense? The order is important when you write. Am I making sense here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, SSS similarity means if they give you the three angles are congruent. Once they are congruent, are they similar? Once two triangles are congruent, are they similar? Yes. So what is the scale factor?
1.
Yep. SSS similarity. When they are congruent, then their angles are also congruent. The scale factor is 1. However, it need not necessarily be. If SSS similarity means the corresponding sides of the two triangles are proportional, it can be. Let's see this one. 6, 5, 10. Do you see here? Now A, B, C, D, E, F. If I say ABC is similar to triangle DEF, the side should be proportional. That's all. AB by DE, the order of letters, equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Any questions? What is SAS similarity? Let me show this. Let me ask you two scenarios. This is a confusing scenario. Let's see. Okay. Do you think they are similar triangles? This is scenario 1. Let me also draw the second scenario. A, B, C. Okay. D, E, F. How about this? Set 1, are they similar? Why? There are two sides and an angle given. We do have three similarities. One is AA, SSS and SAS. Can't I say with SAS similarity they are similar, these two? Why? What is the problem with that?
The first one could be 2/3, but the second one would be 6/4, making them different proportions.
Oh, but I did not say ABC is similar to DEF, right? It could have been ABC is similar to FED as well, right?
No, but like you put the angle there, right?
Yeah, good. ABC is similar to, okay. I take it. Another way, right? When you think about it, the angle has to be the included angle. You see, A is existing between the sides. So the two sides are given, but the included angle is not given. This should have been given and this should have been given. You see? That is what SA similarity is so important, that the angle should be the included angle. In this scenario, second set, are they similar? Second set, are they similar?
Yes.
Yeah, it can be anyway. Don't worry about the letters. ABC triangle is similar to DEF when you think about it. 2/3, 2/3, the ratio. Dhruv, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go ahead. So those are the three types of triangle similarity. Okay, now how about this? I want to give you some problems. Okay, how about this? Are they similar or not similar? I'll give you two sets of problems. You're going to do that, okay? Are they similar or not similar? This is set 1. This is set 2. Are they similar or not? Oh my gosh. Are they similar or not similar? We'll do and then move on. Set 1, set 2. We'll call them as set 1, set 2. This is set 1. This is set 2. Are they similar or not similar? Why? And if similar, what similarity they, follows? Similar triangles should be very easy. Oh, wow. It's a good one. Oh, that's a hard one. Let's see. Oh, we'll do this one, please. This seems a little difficult. I don't know how to do. Let's see. Let's try this one. Set 1, because angle is not between yeah, Johan, you're getting confused?
What? No, I swear.
No, you have given me both for set 1 now.
Oh no, that one was for the one before.
Oh, I see. Thank you. So this set 1 is for this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Set 2, you want to take it forward? There is no ASA similarity at all. What are the 3 similarities we discussed? One was, I'll write it down for you. Why my pen is not writing? I don't know. What are the similarities we discussed? AA, SSS, SAS are the only ones we discussed. Right, Abhyukt?
Sorry, I meant the other one. I got a
No
little.
worries. Yeah, no problem at all. But just remember, that's all, right? What is going on with me? Guys, please answer, all of you, then I can move on. Only when you answer, it tells me that I can move on as well, right? Can I go ahead? Just one side. Oh, nice. Avyukt, correct. But the first one is what similarity? Do you know, Avyukt?
Yeah, I know.
you
It's
definitely.
SAS.
Yes. Pratika, correct. Second one, you're all thinking, I know. Yes, Ananya. Dhruv. Why Dhruv? Okay, let me go ahead and explain. Some of you have gotten it incorrectly. Let me see. So in the first one, right, clearly this is the included angle between the sides. So we are good, but then we don't know whether the ratios are equal. So what would I do? I'll try 18. I cannot do 18 by 16. 18 by 16 is not equal to 24 by 12, right? So what are the other things I can try? Let me see. Can I do 16 with 24 and 18 with 12. Yeah, I can try. 18 with 12 is what? 3 by 2. Correct? So 24 by 16 is as well 3 by 2. Do you see it? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ashrita, yeah. So it's just a little bit of the figure is so misleading. You'll have to find out. In
Oh
this
yeah, I
scenario,
understand.
yeah, so it's a little tricky. Second one, the problem is I clearly see that this is not going with anything. 11. You see the sides though given, they are not proportional. So they are not similar triangles. Set 2 is not similar. Set 1 is similar. Set 1 is similar because of SAS similarity. Ah, Shreya, how SSS similarity, ma?
I thought for the second would be a side because
Yeah,
like
it's there, but are they proportional? You have to check whether the sides are proportional, right?
yeah.
So when you do the proportionality, right, 14 by 16 or 16 by 18, they are not all equal at all, right? You see, ma, 11 by 12.5, they are not equal, right? You see what I mean? Okay. So the second one is not similar. Okay. Now, that is good. Yeah, I wanted you to do one more problem. I don't remember what was the problem that I wanted you to do. Okay, how about this? This one was a good one, but this was not the problem that I wanted you to do. Let me check for that one problem I wanted you to do. After that, we'll move on to the next topic as well. I know what was that thing. Okay, now for this one, you need to identify. First one you do, and then do this one as well. Okay, let me write it down as 1 and 2. This is number 1, this is number 2. We'll try this one. No.
Miss Priya,
I'm here.
I'm not able to see the diagram. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Then we'll do the first one first and then we'll do the second one. Which are the following additional pieces? Check for multiple answers on questions like this. நான் இப்போ பண்ணிடலாம்ப்பா சரி I think so too, Johan, but I don't remember the answer. Let me see. Yeah, Johan, that's right. Avyukt, did you check for multiple things, Avyukt? Just because you got one, you just are in a hurry to answer. Yes, Shreya, that's correct.
Wait, in the second point, is it suggestive or is it solid information?
Oh. What makes you ask that, Dhruv?
Because like it doesn't give the sides.
PQ equal to
So
8, ST equal to 6, PR equal to 12, SU equal to 9. If that information is given, do you think the triangles are similar?
oh, so it's like that. Okay, I
Yeah.
understand.
Avyukt, correct. No problem at all, Avyukt. Just that you need to understand. Pratika, correct. Ashita, correct. Prisha, correct. Can we move on? Okay. So, see, this is very much sufficient to prove that there can be an SA similarity. Other one is if Q is also given as similar to T, right? It becomes AA similarity. If this is given, it's AA similarity. This is given, it's SA similarity. So both. Which of the additional pieces of information would allow you to prove 1 and 2? Okay, we'll go with the next problem. I want to cover one more topic as well. Let's see. GDDH. This year let's be a little proactive, guys, because last year I suffered covering geometry. Honestly, I struggled to cover geometry for the CBE, so I don't want to be in a position like that this year. Let's see what we can do. Okay, either I'll get you the materials, you start going over and come back, ask questions, or we'll cover probability. We will take up another unit for you to do 3D geometry. If you want to cover by yourself, you can do, because it comes from grade 8, all the prism, pyramid, cylinder. If that's easier, you can take it for yourself. Let's see. I'll be able to cover post the test, because May as well we have classes, right? So whatever is easy for you, you do. Whatever I can, I'll help you out by pushing things as well. Probability is a harder topic for sure. But last year I was struggled to complete probability. How about this? So which triangles are similar first of all? Yeah, you send it. Is it K? Dhruv, it was J, right, Dhruv?
Oh
Dhruv,
yeah,
yeah, you
yeah, it was
got it.
a
Okay.
Do you want us to solve for X?
Basically I want you to tell which triangles are similar first. Which triangles are similar? That's the first question. Then the second question is to find GD and DH. That's it.
Oh, okay.
But for that you need to find out first which triangles are similar and what is the order and stuff. It's a little tricky. Let's see. That's hard. I don't know the answer for this one. GD. Let's see. Triangle HGD. The order is incorrect, Avyukt. Yeah, your triangles may be right, but the order in which you have written is not correct. See, that's why the order is so important. Johan, that's right. So here guys, see this angle, so they need to coincide. D and H, let's say, they need to coincide. But this angle is common to both, they are saying. If that angle is common to both, then let me put that out as a second one. What is left over? D, G, H. That is one triangle. right? DGH. That is one triangle. Second one is HGJ. Make sense? Avyuk, does that make sense?
No, I don't really understand how to.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, what I'm saying is this is congruent to this they have given. So I wrote that down. One triangle will have that, the other triangle will have that as the starting point. Make sense?
Yeah.
This is common to both and it is sitting next to that as well. Right?
Yeah.
So I can write G as the next letter to both. What is left
Okay.
over? HG. What is the other D?
D.
Right, of that triangle. And here DG is here. And then what is the left out? H. Make sense?
Oh, okay, makes sense. Yeah.
So they are similar. Now you can write out your proportionality based on that.
Okay.
I don't know, next 2 weeks we have so similarity is a lot more to cover. Okay, let me see, let's do similarity, let's finish isosceles equilateral triangles fully. Let's target that. Okay, after that we have 3D 2D geometry. Maybe probability will start, irrespective of what your schools are doing, we'll do probability. It's quite a tough unit. HGD. So what is the answer for this one? We'll finish with that. Nice, Shreya. What are you doing in school, ma, Shreya?
We started learning about AA, SSS, and SSS.
Oh, nice. Next week we plan to do some proofs and proportionality theorems. Okay. For now we'll stop. Once you get the answer, you can log off. Shreya, you can log off, ma.
Bye.
Bye, ma. I'm glad everything is normal now.
Yeah.
Bye. Prisha, correct, ma. Good job. Prisha, what are you doing in school, ma?
We had a test today about like the quadrilateral, like all the properties and stuff of parallelograms and all that
So
stuff.
you have not started similarity yet?
Not really yet.
Good for you. Okay, good job. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
See you next week. Others, I'm waiting for your answers. If you're stuck, you have to let me know. I can do it on the board.
Yes, Priya, can you do it on the board?
Yeah, I will do on the board, ma. So, this did you understand, Pratika?
Yes, I understood that.
Okay, now what can I talk about? I have HG. I have HG, so I can make up a proportion for DG. HG by DG. DG, what is happening? Okay, so that too we have. Okay, and then I also have HJ. Where is that? HJ. J is not in here. What is going on? Wait, did I make a mistake? Then I made a mistake here. So let's see.
I said my answer.
Which one?
I said my answer.
1 second, Amma. HD. Okay, that coincided. Then GG. Then HGD. This side is HGJ. Nobody told me this. Okay. Now HG by DJ. Then I have HG by DG. Okay, great. That will be equal to HG by DG be equal to DG. HG by DG will be equal to DG by HG by GD. So DG by GJ. Okay. So it's a little confusing, but not really. HG is 7. DG is 2x minus 2. Oh wow. 2x minus 2 divided by, oh that's hard, GJ. I don't want this, right? 10. Are you getting like this? Did you get it like this?
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, go ahead. I can make it simpler. I feel I don't want to go with this. Go ahead.
I think you triangle thing might be wrong. It's HGJ is similar to DGH.
Okay. Wait. HG.
HGJ.
Oh, HGJ. Yeah, see here. When I put this in, first time I made a mistake. So everything was a mistake. So H here, H is the same as this D. I wrote it down first. And after that, G was common to both. I wrote that. So basically, the two triangles were this one, thank you, Johan, this one and this one, right? So we need to pair them up properly. HGJ here goes with DG, smaller triangles ends with a H. Now let's go ahead and write it. So we need to pair up HG. Let's see, for the bigger triangle, this is the bigger triangle, right? HGJ is the bigger triangle. So for the bigger triangle, I want to pair these two. Okay, so HG, because both are given by HJ, will be equal to, for the smaller triangle, DG by DH I would like to try. DG by, yeah, GH, then it becomes easy. So HG by GJ, 7 by 10 will be equal to DG by DH. DG by, okay, DH, yeah, that is also fine actually. DH, 2x plus 4. Can we cross multiply? Did you cross multiply, Johan? 14x plus 28 will be equal to 20x minus 20. So this is 48. This one would be minus 6. So it is 6x equal to 48. X will be equal to 8. This is 20. This is 16 minus 2, 14. Makes sense, ma?
Yeah.
That was a tricky question though.
Mhm.
Dhruv, are you with me? Yes, Johan. If you all got it, please, no problem, you can leave. We will see you next class. Have a nice
Bye.
week ahead, guys. But if you didn't understand, I am prepared to explain. Did you have questions, Johan? Did you have questions, Ashrita?
Yeah, okay, so I've been doing geometry work